Hey everyone, I'm so excited and happy to show you how to sign Twinkle Twinkle Little Star in sign language, one of my son's very favorite nursery rhymes. Now, for each individual sign, I will be providing a breakdown below so you could get more details on the exact hand positions. But in the meantime, let's practice and sing this song together. So, twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, I know who you are. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, as well as share. Thanks.